Good morning. We're at the Holmes Senior Wellness Center. And today, I'm going to demonstrate how to do tricep exercises. Tricep exercises are effective for working the backs of your arms. And for your information, we do teach a class on a regular basis. Every Friday, we teach at 10:30 a.m. class here in the main room. And on Mondays at 9:30 a.m., we teach a class here also. Okay? Feel free to get in either one. You'll have to join the center and become a member first. No problem. This one here is a tutorial on triceps. I have a student here, Miss Paula White. She's pretty religious about taking the classes, and we like progress. We don't want to waste time, so we want to make sure she has all the information, and you do, so that you too can see some progress. Okay? This right here is a machine you'll see at quite a few of your facilities. Okay? It does a number of different positions and trains a lot of different muscles. What we're focusing on today is the tricep in back of the arm. Back of the arm. Most important thing to know about the tricep is what makes it work. It pushes your palms away. Okay? The front of your arm picks things up. The back of your arm puts things down. Okay? Or pushes your palm away from you. Okay? One of the best ways to work this exercise is here with the arms up. It allows you to get a very good stretch in each time you do the exercise. For the best result, we want you to go from a very nice stretched position to a very tight contracted position. And this is one of the better ways to do that. Okay? You can also do this exercise standing straight up and pushing down. Okay? You can also do this exercise as a dip. Okay? As a dip. And you can also do it as a push-up. Push-ups also help to work these muscles. Also, again, anything pushing your hands away from you will help to work the back of that tricep. So what I'm going to go over now is just a couple of the different positions. Okay? Again, this is the machine you have. Okay? A lot of times you'll see a bar like this attached. Okay? This is normally a little overkill, if you will, but this may be the only piece that you have attached in the gym. Okay? And if so, it looks something like this. Okay? We're standing erect. Okay? I like to poke my buttocks back and engage my glutes. Okay? Just lightly, and then I bring the elbows down to the side, right to the side of the body. Okay? And I pin them right against my torso. Okay? Feet are shoulder width apart. Okay? And then from here, I exhale and pull down. I breathe out, and I breathe in. I breathe out, and I breathe in. I breathe out, and I breathe in. Two more. I breathe out, and I breathe in. One more. I breathe out, I breathe in, and I hold it. Now you may also notice that I'm reaching the limit for this bar. In order for me to target the tricep, I need to fully extend the arm. I'm reaching the limit of the machine here now. So the choice I have is to slide forward so that my arms fully extend. The arm should fully extend. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, and then hold it. Slowly, 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 under control. Slow means no momentum, all muscle. You relax. Now the key to these triceps is there's a number of variations you can use, but you want to go for the one that allows you to move the most amount of weight comfortably. Okay? You may be able to perform all the exercises, but one of them will be more comfortable with more weight or more resistance. That's the one you want. Okay? It's not that for me, so we're going to switch this up. Not sure if you see this attachment. There'll be a number of different attachments. A lot of times you'll see something similar to this, kind of made of rope with two handles. You kind of pull down, pull down. The key is what is the most comfortable for you, okay? They have tons of equipment, tons of exercises, but the ones you're not going to use and the exercises you're not going to do are not relevant. It's the ones that matter to you, okay? The ones you're willing to do, okay? Again, I attach this here. This posture is better than the previous one we just demonstrated. Let me show you here, okay? And the reason being, we're going from a better stretched position, okay? For this exercise, okay? We put our hands in the grips, okay? Hands in the grips, elbows are up, and we lightly lean forward, okay? Okay? Then we push the palms away. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, relax. Now hopefully you're able to see the amount of intensity necessary to move the weight. That's what tricep exercises are looking like. No matter what the equipment, no matter the attachment, the key is really the amount of resistance you're using. It has to be as strong as you can handle it, and you shouldn't be able to do more than 10 to 15 repetitions of the exercise before reaching fatigue. If it takes any longer than that, you're really not doing much to hit your tricep, okay? So let's go one more again. One more again, okay? This is on here locked pretty tight, and that may be the case at your facility too. It's normally put on here pretty secure so that you don't have to worry about changing or coming off and no accidents and slipping, okay? And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come up here and I'm just gonna attach this right here along with it. That way I can use this right on the same bar, okay? Here we go. And what I'm trying to demonstrate again is the type of intensity you need to see in movement in the tricep. The tricep has 3 different heads, okay? 3 connection points, okay? The reason that's important is because this 1 and 2 do all of the work. That's why you don't never see your arm or the back of your arm will turn pretty soft pretty quick, okay? The third part, the superficial part, the part that you see, doesn't do much of the work. It's the other 2 that do all of the work. In order to get the third one working, you have to fully fatigue 1 and 2. How do you fully fatigue 1 and 2? You grab a weight that you almost can't lift. It immediately makes the third one come in and help out, okay? So if you're able to do your tricep exercises with a smile on your face, you're probably not gonna see much, okay? You have to get ugly, have to get mad at it. Here we go. Ready? Elbow stay still. We flex at the elbow, but we don't wanna move at the elbow. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo, one more. 1, 2, 3, 5. Hold it. Arms straight as you can. Woo. And then you relax. Woo. Triceps, my suggestion to you is if you frequent a center or facility, come in, do your regular workouts. Okay, do all of your regular workouts, and then on your way out the door, hit your tricep machine each time before you leave, and hit it about 10 times. Enough weight so that you can only move it about 8 to 10 times, and do that each and every time you visit your center. Okay? Whew. Please do something with yourself. Drink some water, eat good, sleep good. Before you know it, you'll be the best you ever been. Yeah. See you in class.